Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
I don't totally understand. Hold on, the hands behind that part. Alright, I think I understand that part. Alright, I think I understand that part there, but me I try to figure out what overall I try let me know. My people, big up and respect to each and everyone. Dancehall skilla here again. So me I say my people, yeah, so some people find that video to be funny on social media. I would like to know what you think about that video, viewers and subscribers. And I realize, I say, I don't know if I really and truly say and feel about that video. 50-50, as I say, because I don't understand certain things about it. Alright, so big up and respect, viewers and subscribers. I have more videos I'm going to present to you. Want to tell me what I think about these videos as well. Reason why I'm presenting these videos is because they are being talked about on social media. And with that, I'm going to present another video to you. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you is going to show some things that happened when a motorist had been stopped or pulled over by police within the country of Jamaica. Now, I want to say this to each and every one. So when it comes on to the Road Traffic Act, try and get some reliable and credible information about the Road Traffic Act and know your rights. You understand me? Look, I'm going to take a look on this video and tell me what I think about this situation, viewers and subscribers. Observe, look, listen carefully.
Come here, go court.
Look and listen. Listen, look.
I say a badge number. I see a badge number for you.
So what I'm so in case I like.
Officer, now I make a video, Come here, go court and stuff,
Just step up and video.
Okay, yeah, man. You know, I make a video, go court and stuff.
Just aggression. Just a request. That's in my mind.
Yes, sir. Them say me not have no carrier's license. Yeah.
Listen and look.
Gail, pull my trunk for me. Pull my trunk for me.
Look and listen.
Me never know still. As me say, that's a meeting.
Alright, so this is where the officer say my charge me for the car in my private vehicle. I look a small tool pan. Yeah. So this is what me get no carrier. So I have no carrier's license. I carry my tool pan in the back of my car. So I can't carry load in my car. So I'm supposed to just travel with my car empty. Basically.
Alright, my people. Let me make this be very clear, because I don't want no one to get the wrong intention. I respect rules and laws, no matter which country I'm in or where I'm at. You understand what I say to you? Yeah. So I don't want nobody think say me I try go against law and order. No, that's not me. But certain things that have been said in that video somewhat have me thinking. You get me I say to my people? Now listen to this part of the video again, my people. Listen again. Listen.
This is where the officer say my charge me for the car in my private vehicle. I look a small tool pan. Yeah. So this is what me get no carrier. So I have no carrier's license. I carry my tool pan now.
You understand what I say now? Based on what you hear? Saying so that part somewhat have me thinking, somewhat confuses me. Because I wonder if the person have a whole lot of things in that motor vehicle. You see me I say, I wonder if there's any form of issue with buying tools from a hardware and I carry it home. You know what I mean? What about buying groceries and certain things? And to each and every motorist, if you get a traffic ticket, please read that traffic ticket. Read and try and understand what's on the traffic ticket. You understand? And always try to stay calm and be polite and do things in a calm way, even if you disagree with the decision of a police or a law enforcer. Alright? But on a real low, my people, it's somewhat have me thinking. Me question certain things that have been said in that video. So tell me what you think about that video and that situation. Alright, so on to another video now, viewers and subscribers. See, Now, here I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers. Now, while listen carefully to some words that have been said in this video. Now, I don't want to be the one to explain everything that had been said in this video, viewers and subscribers. I think it would be best if you look and listen to the video for yourself. But my overall understanding is that a person who you can hear talking in this video was told at the time when this video had been recorded that the person was not allowed on a certain compound. And that's my overall understanding. You understand me? So, when you take a look at this video, listen carefully and tell me what you think about this situation. Observe.
I can't hear. I need it. Can I proceed to go, sir?
Pardon me?
Can I go to submit my application?
Not until I get a confirmation. Cause I wasn't there. I just get a memo in the book that stating that you were not allowed on the compound.
I'm not allowed as a customer.
Right?
I'm not allowed as a customer.
No, I don't know. I don't know what she. I'm not telling her nothing wrong. I'm just explaining what she asked me. It's alright. Hello.
Hi, morning.
Morning.
Right, sir, you're the supervisor for them, right?
You have me on video?
Yes, I have.
No, you can't have me on video, man.
I can. No, I can.
No, you can't do that.
Listen up. Look and listen up.
No, I can. So I'm asking for you to advise me now. I cannot go to citizenship to submit an application, sir.
Yes, I told you the other day that you must get in contact with PICA management. You are not allowed.
I don't know. When you say management, who are you referring to?
You usually work here, you know who are the
No, sir. I'm a customer. I'm not an employee.
You hear that part there?
I am not an employee. I'm a customer.
Once you're video, I'm not going to talk to you.
Oh, why is that? You got an instruction.
My question is why?
You're not allowed on the compound.
Why the person
You're not
was
allowed.
So, sir, can you come and address me?
go on the compound? Hold on.
If you got an instruction, you ought to carry out your instructions and do so confidently.
We could all make sure you understand the clarification of what.
No, honestly, no. Just, tell me. Come for me, sir.
I'm talk to you with that.
No, but you got an instruction, sir.
What are you saying, miss?
Yes.
That you're videoing us.
And I make that aware, and that is
Yes.
okay, and it's my
No
right.
problem.
It
That's
is
your
my right.
That's
Yes.
your right.
It is my right.
It's not my right for you to take him up.
No, I'm not taking a picture, sir.
What you're doing, okay? You don't have any know,
Yeah,
you know.
right, because you're following instructions. So I'm saying supervisor, and I would like your name as well for you to come and advise me.
Yes,
As a
I
customer.
told you before.
You told me before what,
Told you
sir?
before that you are not allowed on the compound to do transaction business.
Why is that?
I said get in touch with PICA.
Who am I supposed to get in touch with, sir?
Get in touch with PICA management security.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so I'm supposed to leave the compound. I can't go and submit an application.
No, miss, you have to get in touch with PICA security management.
Alright, thanks. May I have your name, sir?
I don't wish to give my name, I just tell you what to do.
Okay. Alright, thank you.
Alright. Alright, now my people. Here's one question that I really and truly mainly I think about and I ask. Why was that person told that the person is not allowed on the compound or a certain compound then? Alright. Now when you listen to this part of the video, viewers and subscribers, listen to this part. Listen.
You usually work here, you know who are the
No, sir. I'm a customer. I'm not an employee.
You hear that? Alright. Make sure I point out that part there. Listen to this part now, my people. Listen this now. Listen.
You're not allowed on the compound. You're not allowed on the compound.
So, sir, can you come and address me?
So make sure I point out those parts. My question is, why? I also wondered what happened for that person to be told that the person is not allowed on the compound. We can't jump to conclusion without having a full understanding of the story. But that, look away. You understand? Nevertheless, that video is being talked about on social media. So let me know what I think. I think here's where I'm going to leave it now, viewers and subscribers. There's not much more I'm going to say in this video, you know. Yeah. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, and for those who have been watching my channel for some time now, I might have not yet clicked the subscribe button. Please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. I think here's where I'm going to leave it. Until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla.
Yeah, man.
Hey, yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall skilla entertainment.